Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The difference between XLR and DMX is cable performance. DMX has a higher impedance, 110 ohms, than XLR, 75 ohms. This means that XLR uses different signals than DMX is built to handle. An XLR cable can transmit a DMX signal, but not very well. 4 June 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Yes, DMX cable is fine as audio cable, even digital audio cable. Audio cable is not necessarily fine as DMX. DMX and digital audio care what the characteristic impedance of the cable is. Audio does not. 18 June 2012.
Take our lead.
External line return. XLR stands for external line return. XLR connectors were invented as a means of passing large electrical currents cleanly, while providing a standardized connector for most types of audio devices, such as speakers, mixing boards, amplifiers, microphones, and other recording equipment.
Let's help you make your mark.
Perhaps a few of the more easily confused cable types are XLR and DMX. Both have the standard 3-pin configuration and similar builds, and maybe, in some cases, the connector is exactly the same on both.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.